Collaboration and feedback are essential components to the video creation process, but it can get super time consuming going to and fro with your team on improving a video project. That's why we've made it 10 times simpler for you to get and incorporate feedback in your videos with our new collaboration mode. You can easily access it by simply clicking on the comment and share button on the top right corner. This will bring you to the review mode where you can enter email IDs to invite members of your team to share feedback on your project. Alternatively, you can also copy the invite link and send it over to your teammates and friends. When they click on the link, they can sign up for a free InVideo account if they don't already have one, or they can sign into their existing account and view the projects that have been shared with them. They can click on the comments tab to open the video in review mode at their end, preview the project from start to finish, and leave granular feedback on particular elements from the video, such as the text or the media at specific timestamps. They can even tag you or a particular member of your team to specifically share feedback with them. You'll see all the feedback with the timestamps and the exact highlighted elements in your review mode, and you can easily switch back to the edit mode, make the required changes, and mark the comment as resolved or reply to them to continue the chain of feedback. Say goodbye to tedious Zoom calls, emails, and screen recordings, and use our collaboration tool to share feedback and review videos with your team in the easiest way possible. Go check it out if you haven't done so already. This is Elliot with InVideo, and I'll see you in the next one.